Look at. Grudge race.
Alright, just a heads up to all of our people back in the station.
There's a grudge. Watch out. What is it? Motor, Nitrous, Supercharged.
He's Supercharged, Nitrous, and I'm Twin Turbo.
Okay. Excuse me, sir. Have you raced him before? You raced him before. What was the outcome of the last time?
I beat him.
You beat him? Did he spin or have any excuses why he lost?
His converter blew up.
His converter blew up?
Yep.
Okay. So now he got a new converter and he planning on getting his action back.
Yeah, he'll probably win.
Oh yeah? Okay, well you got the fastest. They say you the fastest around here with a full bolt-on Hellcat
Alright
with
guys,
all
so we're gonna run a
interior.
little bit of prep. Get this track real sticky for our big boys coming up.
We're about to get it
And
sticky.
just give us some time and we'll have this grudge race going on.
Look out.
Alright guys, here we go. Grudge race of the night. Here we go, guys. Alright guys, here we go.
Why he ain't getting no smoke over here, man? They got all the smoke on this side. You must want all the smoke.
I can't help but.
I guess. We got an 811 at 166 miles an hour. Right lane for the win. Oh man. Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too. Look out.